Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Jessica J, and we talk a lot about home decor and lifestyle. So if that's your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribe, and also check me out over on Instagram. So today I have a huge fall home decor video for you guys. I have been collecting things along the way, and I want to save it for a fall haul. The things I'm going to share with you guys today are from Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, surprisingly, Crate&Barrel, CB2, what else do we have here? HomeGoods. I'm going to also share some things from last year that I think you guys should get your hands on. I'm going to check to see if they still have it available. If they do, I will link it down below for you guys. So anything you guys see here today, if you're interested and I can find a link, I will link it down below in the description box. All right, so let's start with HomeGoods. I picked up these little pumpkins right here. These are actually considered a bowl filler. So you can put these in a bowl, and you can have these anywhere in your house. You can have these on your dining room table. You can add it to a sideboard, kitchen island. I have so many ideas for these. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use these all over my house. I love pumpkins, and I love how neutral these are too. So they're white, but you can see some of that warm tone peeking through. I love how I can incorporate these for fall. I can incorporate these in a fall tablescape for a family brunch or dinner, and then I can also use these as a bowl filler as well. So many uses for these. And also, if you're into decorating for Halloween like me, then you also can use this for Halloween. So I love using pieces that I can kind of keep out for fall and Halloween and just add to it depending on the holiday I'm decorating for. So definitely recommend these. These were $9.99. So you guys will be seeing these very soon as well. So during the fall and holiday season, I especially like to incorporate some of my luxury soaps or luxury hand washes and lotions. I like to kind of treat myself throughout the year, but especially during the holidays, I just love having that little piece for guests to come and just enjoy it. That's kind of like my guilty pleasure. I love adding hand washes and candles. So I was actually sent these items right here. These are by a company called HomeCourt. If you guys aren't familiar with these are actually by the actress and entrepreneur Courtney Cox. I picked up the scent Steeped Rose. I love the smell of fresh roses, you guys. So they sent over the surface cleaner. So this is really good for any sealed stone. You can use this on a finished wood, stainless steel, tile, things like that. And I've already used these items, you guys. They actually work pretty good as well. And I have the hand wash. So when I tried the hand wash, I immediately noticed the difference. It's very smooth in your hand. It smells amazing. I really, really love the hand wash. And then they also sent over the dish soap. So I've been washing all of my dishes lately with this. It smells amazing, you guys. So if you want to give this a try, I do have a code if you want a discount. It's Jessica10. I'll have it linked down below as well if you want to give that a try. They're also cruelty-free, they're non-toxic, and they're made with recycled products, so we love that. All right, next is Target. We cannot do a fall or holiday home decor haul and not include Target. I love going to Target for their holiday stuff. I mean, throughout the year, I love going to Target, but they have really good items for really good prices, and their line with Studio McGee has been killing it. So let me show you guys. I picked up this grass wreath right here. Now it is faux, but it does shed a little bit. So I need to spray this with some hairspray, which is a pampas grass hack. If you guys ever work with pampas, you gotta spray it down with some hairspray to keep it from shedding. But you guys, look how beautiful this wreath is. I love the color. It's just so beautiful. It looks like fall, but it looks very high end. Now this was actually $40. A little bit pricey for Target, but you guys, I think it's well worth it. It's a really good size and it's lightweight, so you can stick this anywhere. I plan on using this on my pantry door. I love adding wreaths to my pantry door for the holidays. On the Target website, it does say for indoor use only. So if you want to use this outside, you might want to maybe add some type of protective coating. I'm sure they make something you can pick up from Home Depot, but I plan on using this inside, and I cannot wait to decorate and hang this baby up. So next up is World Market. I didn't mention that. I don't go as much as I used to, but I was walking past it. I saw some pampas wreaths, and I was hoping they had this taupe color. They didn't have it, so thank goodness I found the one from Target. But I picked up these alliums. You guys, I am actually really surprised I picked them up in this orange color, but I like this color. It's kind of like a muted burnt orange color, but not too much in your face. These were $7.99, and I believe they had these in a green color as well. But I just love them. And then you can mold these all whichever ways. I plan on using these in a small CB2 vase that I own and having these in my kitchen, but they're just so dainty and cute. I don't plan on adding this color all throughout my house for fall, so I think that this is just the right touch. All right, next up is Bed Bath & Beyond. Surprise, surprise, I know. So I go into Bed Bath & Beyond because they sell the Nespresso pods that I use, like the only people that sell it besides Target, but for some reason Target's always out. But anywho, I always go into Bed Bath & Beyond for my Nespresso pods, and their holiday section is right there at checkout. So I'll kind of just peek over there and check out their items. And you know what? They have some pretty good stuff. I'll see if I still have some footage of the items that I saw. But one thing that I ran into is this pillow right here. Now let me bring it up on the computer so I can give you the name of it. So this is their Bee and Willow, that's the brand, Harvest pumpkin shaped throw pillow. It comes in this beautiful ivory color. It also comes in a rust color, which I think is really pretty too. So it does retail for $25. I did use the coupon at that time, so I got it for $20. And right now it's on sale if you use your 20% off coupon for $10. $10. So if you guys decide to pick this up, you can get it for $10 and it's still available. I see that it's ready for pickup at one of my local Bed Bath & Beyonds. You can order it. It'll be delivered sometime next week. So I love this because you can keep this around for Halloween, if you decorate for Halloween, for fall, and it's gorgeous. I love the little fringy. The fabric on this chunky fabric looks so good. And I did actually Scotch guard mine just to give it a little added protection, just in case the kids want to play with it or whatnot, but definitely recommend. And the size of it, you guys, look at the size of that. I did get a chance to go inside Crate&Barrel, and their holiday section is just always so good. It's always a treat. And I love how some of the pieces that they get are super affordable as well. So I want to show you guys these pumpkin decor pieces that I picked up. They have a ton of different sizes. I did pick up the smallest size, and I was thinking I would get 4 of these, but I was actually really surprised to see how big they were in person. So I'm glad I actually went in to see them. These are called the Dover Small White Ceramic Pumpkins. They're made so well, you guys. They have this glaze on them too, and then they have like that ceramic you can kind of see peeking through. I love it. So my idea is to use these actually for a tablescape, and I will record a video and share that with you guys. So I want to point something out to you guys while we're talking about these pumpkins right here. I don't know if these are still available at Target. So these are from last year. Let me grab them. If they are, I will link them down below, or I'll put a message like, yes, they are. Please buy them now because they are well worth it. So I picked up this, I think it's a cookie jar. It just says vessel. Okay, Threshold Vessel Stoneware from Target. I believe this was $20. I picked this up last year, and the craftsmanship on these products right here, on these two right here, are identical. It has that same glazed stoneware look. If this was sold at Crate&Barrel, I wouldn't second guess it at all. So I wanted to show you guys this because I plan on using this in my tablescape, and I think it's well worth it. I will try to find it. I hope it's available for you guys. And then also another Target piece, which is so crazy how they're literally identical. I'm questioning if they come from the same vendor. Maybe. But salt and pepper shakers I picked up last year. So I went into Target. I didn't see these. They have another one that's more rustic looking. It doesn't have the glaze on them. So I'll look online to see if these are available too. But I plan on using these two in my tablescape, and they are, again, identical to the ones from Crate&Barrel. So I wanted to point that out. I hope they're still available, and I will link them down below. So I picked up another item from Crate&Barrel. Look at that, I'm switching it up a little bit, somewhat. I picked up this, let me bring it up, this Flint Gray Marble Bowl. It's currently on sale for 20% off. I got it for $39.99. It's described as being gray with tan hues or swirls. Love the tan hues in here. I really love the color taupe, and I'm trying to add more of that into my house. Every time I go inside Crate&Barrel, I notice this, and I just kind of touch it, stare at it, and I just never picked it up. No two bowls are exactly alike, and so when I came across this one, I'm like, this is the one. Usually it's in a lighter gray, and I mean, those are still beautiful as well. I just really wanted something a little darker, and I'll show you guys some pictures. So they had this one, they had another one in store. Again, it was a lighter gray. So when I saw this, I'm like, yes, you're coming home with me. It's food safe. Of course, you don't want to use citrus fruits around marble, but I just love this. I can picture this being used all around my house, several different ways. I can use it as a fruit bowl if I want to. I actually plan on using my pumpkin bowl fillers in here. That's gonna be a vibe. And I think that this is just gonna make a perfect addition in my house. Of course, can't go into Crate&Barrel without going into CB2. You guys know I'm like a huge fan of CB2, love CB2. But I picked up these tapered candles. So these are in like this wavy, let me see what it's called. Okay, so twisted taper candles. They come in a set of 2. They come in cream, and then it says black, but when I saw these, they looked brown, like a chocolatey dark brown color, and I've never seen that color before, and I thought it was just perfect for the holidays and just adding something different. But yeah, it says black online, so I'm guessing it's just maybe something with the pigment and the wax. If you have it up against something that's black, you can definitely see the difference, and maybe that's why I noticed it, because it was in a black taper candle holder. I will take this apart and I'll show you guys so you guys can kind of see the color. But yeah, highly recommend. Gorgeous. All right, that's everything I picked up for my fall home decor haul. You guys are gonna see these used around my house. Follow me over on Instagram because I'm going to be sharing some pictures over there. Thank you guys so much for coming to hang out with me today. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon in a new video. Bye.